The 2018 Toyota Rav4 and 2018 Honda CRV are two of the most popular small SUV crossovers you may be considering. They're similar in many ways, price, size, performance, and utility among them. However, there are several key differences, especially with safety features, where the Rav4 beats the CRV. Comparing all-wheel drive base models, the Rav4 LE comes with pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and dynamic cruise control standard. They're not available on the CRV LX. Plus, the infotainment system on the Rav4 is nicer with a larger touchscreen and more speakers. Voice activation is also standard on the Rav4, but not available on the CRV LX. You can also travel further on a tank of gas with the Rav, which also provides a tighter turning radius, which is nice. Finally, the Toyota Rav4 comes with 2 years maintenance, free. You'll pay for maintenance on the CRV. These are just some of the key differences between the 2018 Rav4 and 2018 CRV that you should consider. For more information, visit your local dealer.